in warm temperatures.
That I posted earlier. Now, the first question is, what is a fluid mosaic model? Okay, so let's have French. What is a fluid mosaic model?
Alright, so based on my understanding, sir, of the video, so fluid mosaic model describes the structure and function of the plasma membrane of the cell. So from the
Okay.
name itself, it's the two words that stuck to me, the fluid and mosaic. So the fluid comes to the tendency of the or the ability of the plasma membrane to be fluid. So they are not like an isa source in, dili lang sila isa lang position, so go flow siya. And also the mosaic part, which is katong part nga when katong mga small phospholipids are stuck together. So that's why ginatawag siya nga fluid mosaic model po.
All right. Yes. Thank you so much, French. No, wala na ko wala na ko follow up kay ito sa very comprehensive answer. Thank you so much, French. No. Okay, let's have the second question. Uh Describe the structure of the cell membrane as accurately as you can, no? Sa inyo lang ano, sa inyong ma-remember sa video and siguro sa inyong ma-recall sa inyong lesson sa cell molecular biology. Sige. Can anyone describe the structure of the cell membrane? Sa inyo lang maano. And then if I'm not satisfied yet, I'll be calling another student to provide more descriptions of the cell membrane. Sige. Anyone? Actually, katong answer ni French Kim, it will already give you a clue. Okay. Sige, balikan na ako si Dran kay gusto na ako lahi na pa na mo ano, lahi na pa na mo answer. Sige, let's have CJ. Sige, CJ.
So, para mas simple na to, the structure of the plasma membrane is composed of bi bilayered phospholipid bilayered, which is composed of as known as amphiphilic, which is the head is the more on ano siya sir, hydrophilic siya, ganan siya tubig. While ang
Yes.
tail is hydrophilic, which is afraid siya sa water. Crucial ni siya
Okay.
sa cell, which is kay ang outside of inside sa cell is composed of aqueous water, sir, or water. Mo na siya.
Uh, all right. Thank you so much, CJ. Sige, anyone else who would like to add on siguro add on siguro sa i-answer ni CJ. Who would like to give an add on? Or siguro napay mga additional nga gusto addition sa ang initially gihatag ni CJ. Now, nakita naman ako sa ang initially describe or we can already visualize at least no ang describe ni CJ. Sige, let's have Dran. Sige, Dran.
So hello sir no. So aside sa gi-mention ni CJ that the cell membrane contains a katong phospholipid bilayer, naapod siya kuan sir kaning mga ginawa what we call the proteins sir. So kaning mga proteins they have two types sir, katong proteins nga wala kay siya naka-integrate within the phospholipid bilayer o kato dayong protein nga naka-integrate. So katong protein nga wala siya naka-integrate sa phospholipid bilayer sir, they act as kanang a function of kanang enzyme para mo-boost ang kanang iyahang biochemical reaction, whereas katong protein nga naka-integrate, it serve as a door or kanang pathway para sa mga specific molecules to enter within the cell membrane. And also, napoy ka ng cholesterol within the phospholipid bilayer, so that ang cholesterol daw kuno sir kay murag muak daw siya as kanang kung ang cell daw kuno kay medyo kuan ra kayo luag kay siya ang mo first mo pack up sa mga phospholipid bilayers, tapos siya po dahil ang mo space out kung in case nga grabe ra kay condense ang phospholipid bilayers sir.
All right. Yes. Grabe na gid no. Very comprehensive. Or si French ba? Sinapay daw sa dugang si French.
Lastly nga gikuan no nga nawala na siya na mention sa kon nga nasa video is also the importance of glycolipid proteins and kato po dayong mga cancer nga mag-attach dito sa phospholipid bilayers. nga mag-serves as an incon bitaw siya sir kanang mura siya kanang cell signaling bitaw sir para sa mga naay mosulod or ma-enter sa kuan which is important pod sa katong gingon nga sa pag-fight sa mga virus such as HIV.
Alright, yes. Grabe na gid no. Murag wala na ko idugang ato kay you gave already a very comprehensive answer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the three of you who described no as accurate as possible the structure of the cell membrane. Okay, now let's proceed or shall we continue with our no with our presentation? Sige, I'll just reshare my screen. Nakita naman screen class no? You can see the screen naman, no? So, just to give you, or siguro just to recap, no, what your classmates mentioned. So, of course, the plasma membrane is a barrier for cell contents. So, basically, siya ang gatekeep. It's a gatekeeper. Or ano no, gina prevent niya ang content sa cell to just spread, no? I mean, spread out of nowhere. No? Then, of course, no, it was described by the three of them earlier. It's a double phospholipid bilayer composed of hydrophilic heads or siya ang naka-face outside, whereas the other part, the tails, are the ones that face inside. And then there are also other materials in the plasma membrane which were also described earlier, such as proteins, cholesterol, and glycoproteins. So, i-describe na nila accurately kung saang function aning tulo, no? So, very good for the three of them, no? They were able to describe accurately the contents, or I mean basically the structure and its function, no? So, okay, let's continue. So there are also specializations in the plasma membrane, no? Like this was emphasized in the last part where French mentioned the essence no of other components that are present in in the plasma membrane, which is essential for cellular communication, no? So one of them, of course, is the microvilli. Now, microvilli is found in the it's actually found in the surface of the small intestine because it plays an important role in the absorption of nutrients, in which it is actually the most important part of the digestion process, no? So microvilli are finger-like projections that increase surface area for the absorption of nutrients, again, is what I've said, during the process of digestion. Okay, we also have membrane junctions. The membrane junctions are composed of either tight junctions, desmosomes, and gap junctions. Again, their role is related to cell communication. So, in this way, the presence of these structures are able to make sure they make sure that cells are able to communicate with one another so that they will be able to form your tissues and eventually your organs. Okay? So the last part is the cytoplasm. It's the material outside the nucleus and inside the plasma membrane. So mo siyang intermediate between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. So basically ang yung composition is it's made of cytosol. So mo siya og ganang jelly-like substance, no? It's the fluid that suspends other elements wherein dinin nag-float ang all the other organelles that I was not able to describe earlier. And of course, the organelles, it literally means little organs. So it's the metabolic machinery of the cell. So all of these other organelles provide the cell with its vital functions. And as well, in some specialized cells, no, there are inclusions. So these inclusions are non-functioning units, but their presence will also help the cell be able to maximize its other important functions. So kung wala po ni sila, like for example, ang say vacuole, no? Vacuole is actually an inclusion, no? So ang vacuole, while wala gid sila ingon na nga naka particular nga function, but they store ang ilang gina-store is of course important gyapon siya sa cell, no? So these are the different cytoplasmic organelles, no? So as we continue, no, I'll be sharing with you another video which will basically describe what are these different organelles, no, and their functions, no. So later on, mag-follow up na pag ko sa inyo ha o question on what are these different organelles and what are their specific functions in the cell. Sige, I'll be sharing with you another video. Kanisha, for sure you are already familiar with this, no? Yeah, let me just uh, okay, let me just reshare the screen. Ilang kasama ko kani sure gid ko familiar kay mo ani. Sige. Let me just reshare my screen. Okay, let me know if makita na ang ano ha. Ang inyong buhat, ang inyo lang i-note diri is ang ilang mga functions as I will be asking you questions again later on. Okay? Makita naman ang kwan class, no? Class, makita naman ang screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.